Saint Augustine. Augustine was born in North Africa in 354. His father was a pagan who wanted his son to be a man of learning and cared little about his character. His mother was Saint Monica, who urged her son to lead a good life. Augustine fell into bad company and read bad books. For 13 years, he led a very evil life, but his mother kept praying for his conversion. One day, while he was reading the letters of St. Paul, he made up his mind to become a Christian. His mother's prayers were answered. Augustine became a Christian at 33, a priest at 36, a bishop at 41. He preached often and wrote many books during 35 years as Bishop of Hippo in North Africa. Augustine wrote, "Too late have I loved you, O beauty of ancient days, yet ever new. Our hearts were made for you, O Lord, and they are restless until they rest in you." Saint Augustine died in the year 430. He is honored as a doctor or teacher of the Church and a patron of theologians.